Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to continue with the chapter Natural Resources. Children, in this chapter, we are going to study about the biogeochemical cycle. First biogeochemical cycle we are going to start is the carbon cycle. So, children, we know about the carbon and their compounds. The carbon is found in the various forms on the earth and it occurs in the elemental form as diamonds and graphite. In the combined state, it is also found as the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, as carbonate and hydrogen carbonate salts in various minerals. While all life forms are based on the carbon containing molecules like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, nucleic acids, and vitamins. So, children, the endoskeleton and the exoskeletons of the various animals are also formed from the carbonate salts, and then the carbon is incorporated into the life forms through the basic process of the photosynthesis, which is performed in the presence of sunlight by all the life forms that contain the chlorophyll. We know the green plant have the chlorophyll pigment, so that this process converts the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere or dissolved in the water into the glucose molecules. Children, these glucose molecules are either converted into other substances or used to provide energy for the synthesis of other biological important molecules, so that the utilization of the glucose to provide energy to living things involves the process of respiration, in which the oxygen may or may not be used to convert the glucose back into carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide then goes back into the atmosphere. Another process that adds the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is the process of combustion, where the fuels are burnt to provide energy for various needs like heating, cooking process, transportation, and industrial processes. Children, the percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is said to have doubled since the Industrial Revolution, when the human beings started burning the fossil fuels on a very large scale, so that the carbon, like water, is thus recycled repeatedly through the different forms by the various physical and the biological activities. So, children, in this picture, you can easily see the sunlight, the process of photosynthesis by the green plants, and the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere, and how it transferred from one phase to another, like carbon dioxide fixation by the consumers, then it is the decomposition, and then it is the fossils and the converted into fossils and fossil fuels, then again back to the fossil fuel combustion, and then in the atmosphere through the animal respiration process it again come back to the atmosphere, and also the plant respiration process it come back to the atmosphere, so that it is very important biogeochemical cycle. So hope children this topic is clear. Any query you can write in query box. Children, today's your homework is to draw a well labeled diagram of carbon cycle in your notebook. Thank you children.